Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and in this video I'm going to be doing an entire makeup look using only Swiss Beauty products. So firstly, I'm going to be starting off with my eyes, and I'm going to be using the brushes from the Swiss Beauty Professional Face and Eye Brush set. So in this set we have 6 brushes, 2 face brushes and all of the eye brushes. This is the Swiss Beauty Awaken eyeshadow palette in the shade Blooming Rose. First I'll be taking this eyeshadow applicator brush in the shade F05. I'm going to be taking this shade and applying it all over my lid, and then taking this eyeshadow blender brush, the number F04, and taking a lighter shade like this one and just blending the edges. Then taking this F09 brush, which is like a liner brush, and taking this dark shade and applying it just towards the lash lines. First taking this gold shade right here and applying it all over the lid. The matte shades are really nice and pigmented. The shimmer shades are not like super foily. They just have a light wash of color, but they don't have fallout or anything like that. And now taking this glitter shade and just pressing it towards the center. Now moving on to face. For primer, I'm going to be using the Swiss Beauty Hold Me Grip Primer, which a lot of you guys asked me to try this one out. It has that sticky feel. With these kind of primers, it's better to like sort of drag it on your skin like this than rubbing it or moving your hands in circular motions. Just do not work. Just gently tap it like this and it remains a little bit tacky. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Swiss Beauty Airbrush Finish Full Coverage Foundation. I have this one in the shade 05 Caramel Beige. Blending it with the Swiss Beauty foundation brush in the number F06. This foundation actually has really good medium coverage, very skin-like, just that I feel like the shade and the undertone is not matching my skin tone that well. And then for concealer, I'm going to be using the Swiss Beauty Perfect Liquid Concealer in the shade 05 Medium. You guys know my thoughts on this concealer. It is a foolproof concealer. It just stays on and gives really good coverage. So that's how the concealer looks before powder. And going in with a blush, I'm going to be using this setting spray, which is called the Glow Up Makeup Fixer. It preps and sets your skin. Now that my makeup is set, I'm taking this Swiss Beauty makeup sponge, just sort of pressing it. Now using the Swiss Beauty Cream It Up blush in the shade Copper Cheeks. This is what the shade looks like. Just to add a little bit more glow, I'm going to be using the Baked Blush and Highlighter. I'm going to be taking this shade. Okay, that's very pale. Taking this shade because the other one was a little too pale. Taking this shade and applying it all over my cheek just for that extra glow. Spritzing my face one more time. Blush did give a beautiful glow, but just that the other shade is a little too pale. And then using this loose finishing powder. It's like a nice fine loose powder but has a lot of kickbacks, so make sure to take a light amount of it and dab off the excess. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Swiss Beauty Precision Mascara. It's a really nice lengthening mascara. You have seen me use this before. For lips, for lip liner, I'm going to be using this dark chocolate shade from the Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner. For lips, I'm going to be using this Pure Luster lipstick in the shade Twisted Caramel. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll make sure to link all the products in the description box below. Let me know if you want to watch more such videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.